I'm going to do is a half of a poinsettia on that nails. Just a smaller one. Place it on one. Have any question, let me know. Another one. Oh my god, this is so cool and it's so much fun. And now you look at that. You can adjusting it first, you know, so then that way you can able to secure precision in there. But then just in case that you are not happy, like, oh my gosh, I want maybe to be bigger, I want maybe to be in that on not this spot and different spot, you just pick that beads up and put into wherever you want. So again, press down. I did press down for 3 beads, so then that way it get in, like anchor it down to the nails. But just in case, like, oh, I want it to be a little bit bigger, add more. Okay, you can't never go wrong with 40 gels. Press down using the tip of the brush, and then draw that for your, I'm gonna do a little bit smaller one. All right, cute. We're gonna put some chains in here. All right, in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and do another layer, smaller beads this time. But hey, if you are doing the clients in the coffin nails, you can definitely getting it a little bit bigger, it's like even like their first flowers. But if you are doing a clients is stiletto nails or almond nails, you can adjust it accordingly, your beads. Okay, close this. Again, I place the second layer petals right in between of the first petal layer. Press down, down. Again, press this one down, down. Hey, how everyone doing? Happy Saturday. I'm like keep thinking of like today, Friday. Hope you all have a fabulous Saturday. If you are working, have a fabulous productive day. If you are having a day off, have a fabulous day off with your loved one. I'm gonna blend it right here because I'm gonna put some bead in here. Okay, get some beads. So same thing, when you're doing it, don't have to go aggressive, just little. You can just give it a quick, just really gentle press down, and then the dual brush, the 3D brush, that's your magic one with 40 gel, it will do all the work for you. I'm picking the beads from here just in case you're curious, where do I get all the beads from? Just getting it right from the little mix bag that I got it from. All right, cute, cute, cute. And then we'll flash key it quick. This is I'm showing it. You can keep going, or you can give it a quick flash key if you